Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to talk about minors. So one of the more commonly asked questions that I get is, can I pursue a minor? How do I find out what minors OSU offers? How do I find out what's required for the minor? So in general, students can pursue a minor even if they're in the nursing major. It typically works out better if you have some general education courses completed already with either AP credit or post-secondary credit. But if you want to talk about, what the likelihood is of you completing a minor, it's probably better to come in for an individual appointment. If you know that you can complete a minor, or if you have a lot of space and you need to fill it with extra courses and you want to do a minor so that your courses are all going towards a targeted plan, then you can definitely do that. Every minor at OSU is a little bit different in terms of what's required and how to declare the minor. By and large, minors are between 12 and 15 credit hours in length, so that's anywhere from 4 to 5 classes that you'd have to complete to get a minor. And there is a site that hosts all of these minors and the requirements for them. So really the easiest way to find out what minors OSU offers and what the requirements are for those minors is just to navigate to the general OSU website, which is www.osu.edu. And right up here in the search bar on the OSU page, I usually just type in minors. And then what pops up is all of the undergraduate minors at OSU. So it's usually the first link. And if you scroll down, you can see they're listed here alphabetically. A lot of students do the HGFS minor, so I'll go ahead and use that as an example. So if you click on H, you can scroll down. You'll see Human Development and Family Science is the minor here, and then it has the semester minor guide. So that's what you want to click on. And that's going to pull up a PDF guide of where the minor is housed. It talks a little bit about what the minor is and what's required. It does have all of the courses listed here that you would have to take to complete the minor. And then on the right hand side, it has more specific information about what you can overlap with major or GE courses and things like that. So the biggest things that you want to pay attention to when you're thinking about pursuing a minor is what are the required courses, so what's on this left side here, and how do I declare the minor. So that's going to be on the right side at the bottom typically, and it's going to say minor approval, and some units don't require minor approval, so all you would have to do is take the required courses and fill out a minor form for our office. But many departments do require approval, so you can see for HGFS, the academic program coordinator in the College of Education and Human Ecology must approve the minor before you can file that. And they do have the contact information here for setting up an appointment with that person. Once you've started completing the minor and you've gotten it approved and you know what you need to do to complete it, in order to get it put on your degree and on your transcripts, you will need to file a minor program form with us in the College of Nursing. And you can get the minor form from your minor advisor. You can have them sign that, and then you can just go ahead and bring it to 106 Newton Hall front desk, and I'll get that filed for you on your degree. But again, this is a site hosting all of the minors offered at OSU. So if you're not sure what minor you want to take, you can come here and take a look at everything that's offered, read a little bit about what would make up the minor and what requirements you would have, and then you can see how you would declare that minor if you do decide to pursue it.